Hello. Wikipedia's picture of the day, June 15, 2020. Today's video is about Baselios Cleemis. Baselios Cleemis, born the 15th of June 1959, is the current major archbishop of the Syro-Malankara Catholic Church. He was elevated to the College of Cardinals by Pope Benedict XVI on the 24th of November 2012. Cleemis is the first bishop of the Syro-Malankara Church, and the fifth Keralite, to be created a cardinal. He said it was a sign of the Pope's appreciation of Indian Catholics' unity in diversity, and cited the witness, the defense of human life, and the example of authentic prayer given by Mother Teresa. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and share.